how to unrepost in Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a repost on Snapchat, especially from Spotlight or your story. So first, go ahead and open Snapchat on your device and then make sure you're signed into your account. Now, before we proceed on unreposting a story, what we can do first is to repost a story. So head over into the messages tab, head over into that specific conversation where you're currently tag on a story on, and then click on this add to my story button at the right side of that story, and that will take you into the section. So in here, click on the stories button and this will be added to your story. Now head back, so click on this back button at the top left of your screen, and then click on your Bitmoji at the top left of your screen again, and then click on your story, and then click on the three dots at the top right of that story, and then click on delete. Now there is no unrepost button to unrepost your Snapchat story. The only way for you to unrepost it is to delete it from your story. So that is how you can basically unrepost in Snapchat.